Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair with two products from Terra Veda Organix. I am starting out with the Curl Primer Styling Serum, which is made with henna extract, kiwi fruit extract. It has a soft to medium hold, humidity resistant, thermal protection, and frizz control. Next up, I'm going in with the Fresh Whip Styling Foam, which is made with goji berry extract and red wine extract. It has a soft to medium hold, defines curls, frizz control, and volume. So the style that I'm doing today is a PermRod set, and I am going to walk you through the process. So first, I am taking my small section. I am securing the PermRod at the root of my hair, and I am wrapping it around in a circular motion until I get until the end of my hair. Once I get to the end, instead of wrapping the hair around the PermRod, I'm wrapping the hair around itself so that it can stay in place. Then I am twisting the PermRod at the root, and then I'm just going to secure the PermRod by closing it up on the end. So I'm just going to continue these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. Now that my hair is completed, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes and then let the rest air dry overnight. Very excited about this PermRod set. I tried a different technique this time with starting at the roots and then rolling the rest of my hair on the PermRod set. Normally I start at the ends and roll my way up. So my hair is all dry, and I'm going to slow it down for you so that you can see the bounce, the shine, and the moisture in this curl. The shrinkage and the snapback is real. So I love the way that this technique of rolling my hair has my curls looking. Definitely going to use this same method to do my perm rod sets from now on. So after taking all of the rollers out, I'm just going in with a little bit of oil, and as you can see, I forgot one of the rollers. So again, I'm just going in with a little bit of oil just to prevent any unnecessary frizz. And then I'm going in and stretching each one of the curls because as you can see, the shrinkage is real. So I'm just going through with my hands coated with oil and stretching each one of the curls to make separating much easier. So now that I've stretched the curls, separating is a lot easier. I'm just pulling on the curl and just letting it separate as it wants to separate. My hair feels soft, it feels moisturized. The curls are defined. Definitely loving this duo from Terra Veda Organix. I do have a discount code that I will leave in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. So here are my final results. I decided to pin the sides up just to give it a little flavor. Definitely loving this perm rod set. These curls are so bouncy and defined. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.